Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the battery in your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. Let's dive right into the tools you'll need for this task. First, you will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic prying tool. Make sure to have these ready before we begin. Start by turning off your Dyson V8 and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure the vacuum is completely powered down to avoid any accidents. Next, locate the battery release button located near the base of the machine. Press and hold this button while pulling the battery away from the main body. You may need to use a bit of force, but it should come off smoothly. Now, let's take a closer look at the screws holding the battery in place. The Dyson V8 battery is secured by 2 screws, which you will need to remove using your Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to strip the screws as you unscrew them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the old battery off the connector. Before we install the new battery, it's a good idea to clean the battery compartment. Use a dry cloth or a brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This ensures a solid connection for your new battery. If you don't have the necessary tools for this process, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of traveling. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors in the battery compartment. Gently push it into place until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely locked in. Next, replace the screws you previously removed, making sure they are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten them to avoid damaging the compartment. Once the new battery is installed, press the battery release button again to ensure everything is locked in properly. Now, it's time to test your Dyson V8 to make sure it's functioning correctly. Plug it in and turn it on. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You have successfully